morning, students. Again, welcome to maths class. Hope you all are fine and do your work regularly and always keep smiling. Today we discuss brain teaser of unit 1 square and square root. First of all, you know about what is brain teaser. Brain teaser means brain ko tease karna. Clear? Questions are of different level but method remains same. ठीक है. In first worksheet you discuss what is square, what are the properties of square, but in second, third and fourth worksheets there are method for finding the perfect square roots of given number. In second worksheet we discuss repeated subtraction method for finding the smaller square root of smaller number. In next worksheet we discuss prime factorization method. Clear? Or in fourth worksheet we discuss long division method for finding the square root of larger number. And in last some questions we discuss estimation method, find the estimate value. Clear? By the use of these methods or using first worksheet, today we discuss brain teaser, some questions. Clear? Now start. Here are some MCQs of first question part A. There are 5 MCQs written on the board. Clear? We discuss these MCQs one by one to find the answer. Clear? So let us start with the first part. First part है, the difference between squares of two consecutive number is equal to. Clear? Squares of difference means you are giving some examples. Suppose 100 square minus में 99 square. These are two consecutive squares. Clear? Then what is its difference? Difference होगा sum, product or quotient. In first worksheet, question number maybe 5 or 6 you discuss. Then your answer is 100 plus 99 equal to 199. This is your answer. Now we do the sum. So your option is sum is the right answer. Clear? Sum is the right answer. Now second question. What will be the digit in the thousand place of 111? There are 4 ones and power 2. Clear? Now you have to find 111 whole square. Clear? Easy method for finding the square root of 1111. First of all, count the number of ones. There are 4 ones. So answer is counting start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 2, 1. Clear? This is the square of 1111. Clear? Or you have to find the thousand place. Clear? Thousand place में आपको clear? So square of 1111 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now question is what will be the digit in the thousand place? You all know this is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So thousand place of a square of 111 is 4. Clear? I think you understand these questions. Clear? Now start the third C part. Perfect squares cannot have 2, 3, dash and dash in one's place. Clear? In first worksheet you discuss. If we know square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36 and 7 square 49, 8 square 64 or 9 square 81. These are the squares from 1 to 9 numbers. Clear? Now let us check with the last digit of the square number. These are the squares. To check, last digit is 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 3. From 1 to 9 numbers, there are 4 numbers missing in the last digit of square of this number. First, now 2 and 3 are missing, 2 and 3 are here. Clear? After that, square 5 is always here, 6 bhi hai, 7 and 8. So, your answer is 7 and 8. तो क्लियर है कि अगर आपके क्वेश्चंस के लास्ट में 2, 3, 7 एंड 8 अगर ये नंबर्स हैं तो दीज नंबर्स आर नॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. क्लियर? दिस इज योर पार्ट नंबर सी. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर डी of MCQs. The smallest number by which 72 must be divided to form a perfect square. If there is a word in the question, if multiplied or divide, we can use prime factorization only. So first of all, do the prime factorization of 72. 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3 and 3. Clear? These are the prime factorization of number 72. Now make the pair of 2. We get first pair. Similarly we get second pair. But pair of 2 is not complete. If we divide 72 by number 2, we get 36. And 36 is always a perfect square of 6. So answer is smallest number should be 2. कि 72 को अगर आप 2 से डिवाइड करते हो द नंबर बिकम 36 विच इज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. गुड. नाउ लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द MCQ. द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3.052009 हैज डैश डेसिमल प्लेसेस. मीन्स इफ यू फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर, क्लियर, आफ्टर डेसिमल हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर. क्लियर? You don't have to solve this question. Just use trick. Count the number after decimal. Clear? Count the number after decimal and make the pair of 2. Clear? 2 के पेयर बनाओ, फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड 3. तो आंसर क्या होगा? गुड. 3 डिजिट्स के बाद आपका आंसर फिनिश हो जाएगा. क्लियर? ओनली काउंट द डिजिट्स 6 digit. Clear? And half of 6 is 3. Use this method. और जितने पेयर्स बने वो भी आप काउंट कर सकते हो. क्लियर? तो ये पार्ट था आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का ए पार्ट, दैट आर MCQ क्वेश्चन. नाउ डिस्कस पार्ट नंबर बी ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट्स स्टार्ट पार्ट नंबर बी ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now here are some parts. I am using first part and I am reading the question. How many known square numbers are between 13 square and 14 square? You are given two numbers, 13 squares and 14 squares. Clear? The question is between the square of this number, how many known perfect squares are lying? Clear? So easy method is numbers of non-square numbers. Method is this: to multiply smaller number. You discuss in first worksheet. So smaller number is 13. So 2 multiply 13 is 26. Clear? If numbers are consecutive, means लगातार numbers हैं, 1 और 2, 5 और 6, 10 और 11, 13 and 14, 20 and 21. Clear? The smaller number and multiply by 2 is your answer. Clear? This is your first part. Now see part number B. Clear? क्वेश्चन है राइट फर्स्ट 4 ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स. क्लियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स. कि नंबर को आप ऐसे लिखो कि उनको ज्वाइन करने से ट्रायंगल बने. आई एम स्टार्ट विद नंबर 1. क्लियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंड. क्लियर? यू कैन मेक सिंपल ट्रायंगल फ्रॉम दिस, बट इफ वी राइट 2, अब इन दोनों से आपकी ट्रायंगल नहीं बन रही है. क्लियर? आई एम राइटिंग नंबर 3, 1, 2 और 3, तो ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल है. क्लियर? सिमिलरली 4, सिमिलरली 5, सिमिलरली 6, सिमिलरली 7, 8, 9, 10. क्लियर? तो जो आपके ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स हैं फर्स्ट 4, वो नंबर्स हैं ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स आपके पास हैं 1, 3, 6 and 10. Sorry, these are the first 4 triangular numbers. Clear? Now you draw the symbol for this. First of all, this number 1. Clear? इन दोनों को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. This is 3. Similarly now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again make the triangle. These are 6. Similarly 10. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. Now again this is the triangle. Clear? So this is number 6. ठीक है. मीन्स आप काउंटिंग नंबर स्टार्ट करो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 और जिन नंबर्स को ज्वाइन करने से सीक्वेंस वाइज एक ट्रायंगल बन रही है. क्लियर? मीन्स पहले आपने 1 लिखा, 2 तो यह 3, फिर अगर आप 4 की बात करते हो तो 4 बनेगा ऐसे, तो ये हो गया आपका स्क्वायर नंबर. क्लियर? इस तरह से आई थिंक अंडरस्टैंड हो गया. नेक्स्ट देखिए सम पार्ट्स मोर. नाउ सी पार्ट नंबर सी पार्ट है यू आर गिवन नंबर 5, 7, 9. इज 5, 7, 9 ए पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट? वाई एंड जस्टिफाई. Clear? In first worksheet we discussed Pythagorean triplets. Means 3 numbers. ठीक है. Now square the first 2 numbers and add them. If we get the third number, then it is Pythagorean triplet. Means you have to use Pythagoras theorem. Clear? Base square plus perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square. Means किसी भी 2 sides के sum का square अगर third के square के equal है, the number is Pythagorean triplet. First of all I am squaring 5. And 7 square, 5 square 25, 7 square 49, add them 9 or 5, 6, 14, 1, 4 or 2, 6 or 1, 7. Clear? Is not equal to 81 which is square of 9. Clear? So you can say that 5 square plus 7 square is not equal to 9 square. So 5, 7 and 9s are not Pythagorean triplet. Clear? Means first 2 के स्क्वायर का सम अगर थर्ड के स्क्वायर के इक्वल है, then it is a Pythagorean triplet. Clear? Now see part number D. Part number D is you have to find the perfect square root of number 9, but by using repeated subtraction method. In second worksheet we discuss repeated subtraction method. Always subtract odd number from the number. Clear? So I am writing 9 minus 1, number 8, 8 minus में 3, 5, 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So we get 0 at third step. So square root of 9 is 3. This is your answer. Clear? You have to just subtract odd number one by one from the number obtaining until we get the 0. In which step we get 0? This is your last step, or last step number is your answer. Clear? Now see last part of B part of sum number 1. You are given the question, find the measure of side of the square handkerchief of the area. Means you are given area of a square handkerchief. That is 324 centimeter square. Clear? But you have to find the length of the side, and we all know that area of square is side square, means side square is 324 and you have to find side, which is square root of 324. Now it's depend upon you which method you are using. Either use prime factorization or either use last method, that is long division method. Clear? I am using long division method for this. If you learn square of 1 to 30 number, then you all know this is square of 18. So we find the answer by long division method, making the pair of 2 from right side. Now first pair is 3 and below 3, which is a perfect square, 1. 2, 2, 4. Double of 1 is 2. Clear? 8. Because you all know square of 18 is 324. So 8 is 64, 6, 8 to the 16 or 6, 22, we get 0. So side is equal to 18 centimeter. This is your E part of part B of question number 1. Clear? So today's homework is solve only first question of the brain teaser. In next worksheet we discuss sum number 2 to continue. Clear? And again I am saying, always keep smiling and focus on your dream. Clear? And focus on your aim. What is your aim in life? Clear? And I am asking you some question. What is the full form of aim? Yes, AIM. Aim means आप आगे क्या करना चाहते हो. Aim means ambition in minds. कि आपके माइंड में क्या थिंकिंग है योर अबाउट योर फ्यूचर. क्लियर? तो today's homework is solve first question and also motivate me by liking, by subscribing, by sharing my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video and have a nice day.